So the benefits of using AI in PIM are quite obvious because PIM is actually the perfect use case. Product information is 70+% text, and that's what LLMs and AI are really good at handling, and really good at enriching with AI or spell checking or translating. So anything that has to do with text is AI really good at. The interesting thing with AI now is that we're trying to do other things than just the basics. So now we're going into analytics, trying to analyze the product data and trying to figure out what we can do to improve it so that you can focus on writing or just improving things that make you sell your products and not the boring stuff that AI can take care of for you. AI Enrich is also a really cool feature where you take your product information and you send a little bit of data into the LLM and you get more back, basically. The AI will analyze both the data that you have and also the images. So you can send images into the AI and it will analyze that and then it will enrich based on that information. So it might be more information than you already have. So by analyzing a picture, for example, it can see how many buttons this shirt has, it can see if you have any pockets, it will see the color and stuff like that. So basically it's enriching automatically. So the AI Linguist is all about improving texts. So there are a couple of different features there. You have the obvious like spell checker, where it's just checking the spelling. You have the translations, where you can translate between 100+ languages. The last one is the text improvement, which is more of a subtle improvement style feature where you can improve different texts. Basically an old idea that came up again now with the new LLMs. So what we're doing is going back to this machine learning thought. So we're presenting golden standard products to an LLM, saying these are perfect products. Now please look at this bad data, and based on this perfect data, make the bad data better. That's basically what the analyst is doing.